to you about cryptocurrencies and the blockchain technology, and I'll try to explain in very simple words how it all works. So what is a cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies are digital assets or internet money which are used as a medium of exchange. Cryptocurrencies are based on blockchain technology, which uses cryptography as a means for verification during the transaction, which means that after a transaction is made, it cannot be changed anymore. So now let's have a look at the blockchain, how it works.
Blockchain is virtually a chain of blocks made up of digital information. In order for a block to be added to the blockchain, 4 things must happen. First, a transaction must occur. That transaction must be verified by a network of computers. These networks often consist of millions of computers spread across the globe. So when you make a purchase, that network of computers checks that your transaction happened right in the way you said it did. That is, they confirm the details of the purchase, including the transaction's time, the amount, and the participants. After your transaction has been verified as accurate, it gets the green light. The transaction's amount, the digital signatures of the participants are all stored in a block. There, the transaction will join thousands of other transactions. Then a block must be given a hash, which is a unique identifying code. Once hashed, the block can be added to the blockchain. Each computer in the blockchain network has its own copy of the blockchain, which means that there are thousands of copies of the same blockchain. After a block has been added to the end of the blockchain, it is very difficult to go back and to change the contents of the block. That's because each block contains both its own hash and the hash of the previous block. So, in order to change a single block, a hacker would need to change every single block before it on the blockchain. And recalculating all of those hashes will take an enormous amount of computing power. In other words, once a block is added to the blockchain, it becomes impossible to edit.
The first blockchain-based cryptocurrency is called Bitcoin. It is the most popular and the most valuable coin. Today there are a lot of altcoins rising every day, but Bitcoin will most probably keep its status as the leader. So in our next video we will tell you more details about Bitcoin and how it can be mined. So stay with us.